You shop like bills do not exist. When did you last check your bank account? Do you even know what comes out each month? What about that gym membership you never use? How many free trials turned into real charges? When is the last time you said no to yourself? The average person loses $5,000 a year. $5,000 on stuff they forgot they signed up for. That is rent for months, just slipping away quietly. Nobody taught us how to track this stuff. We just swipe and hope it works out. It never works out. Life Admin shows you every single bill you have. It tracks subscriptions, so nothing hides from you anymore. You add your expenses once and it remembers everything. It sends you reminders before charges hit your account. You see exactly where your money goes each month. One app replaces all your scattered notes and papers. No more sticky notes falling behind your desk. No more random reminders in your phone that fail. No more stress when you open your bank app. Everything you need fits right in your pocket. You finally feel in control of your own money. That relief is something you deserve to feel daily. Make sure to subscribe now. Drop a like if this helped. Comment what you always forget to cancel. Life Admin is free in the App Store. One download changes how you handle your money forever. To do it,